Tired of weak tools slowing down your automotive work? Finding the best corded impact wrench for automotive can change your experience. Today, we compare 6 powerful options built for stubborn bolts and heavy-duty tasks. We'll discuss torque, durability, and real-world performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best corded impact wrench for automotive. Let's get started!
1. CRAFTSMAN Impact Wrench CMEF901. The CRAFTSMAN Impact Wrench CMEF901 is a strong tool for car repair work. It gives steady power and works well for daily jobs at home. The 7.5 amp motor helps loosen tight nuts quickly and easily. You do not need to use much force while working. The 1/2 inch drive fits most sockets used every day. The handle feels comfortable, so your hands do not get tired fast. This tool uses a cord, so the power stays strong all the time. It works well for tire changes, brake work, and simple repairs. It is very easy to use even if you are new to tools. The body is strong and made for long-term use. It is a good choice for home users and small garage work. If you want a simple and strong tool, this is a good choice. The price usually ranges between $80 and $110, depending on the seller. Verdict: a simple and strong tool for everyday car repair work. 2. Porter Cable Impact Wrench PCE211. The Porter Cable Impact Wrench PCE211 is a strong tool for heavy car work. It gives high power to loosen very tight nuts easily. You can remove stuck lug nuts without using too much effort. The 7.5 amp motor gives steady power for smooth working. The 1/2 inch drive fits most sockets used for car repairs. The grip feels good, so you can hold and control it easily. This tool uses a cord, so power stays strong while you work. It is good for tire changes, brake work, and garage jobs. The body is strong and made for long-term use. It is easy to use even for beginners. It helps you finish work faster and saves time. If you want strong power and ease of use, this is a great choice. The price usually ranges between $90 to $120 depending on the seller. Verdict: a strong and easy tool for heavy car repair work. 3. Eastvolt 800W Corded Impact Wrench. The Eastvolt 800W Corded Impact Wrench is a strong tool for car repair work. It gives high power to loosen tight nuts easily and quickly. You can remove hard bolts without using too much effort. The motor is strong and helps you work faster every time. The 1/2 inch drive fits most sockets used for daily car work. The design is simple and easy to use for everyone. This tool uses a cord, so power stays steady all the time. It works well for tire changes and simple car repair jobs. The body feels strong and made for regular use. It is easy to control even if you are new to tools. It helps you finish work faster and with less effort. If you want a strong and fast tool, this is a good choice. The price usually ranges between $85 and $115 depending on the seller. Verdict: a strong and fast tool for car repair work. 4. GETUHAND 12-Volt Portable Car Impact Wrench Kit. The GETUHAND 12-Volt Portable Car Impact Wrench Kit is made for easy car repair on the road. It works with your car's power socket, so you can use it anywhere. You do not need a wall plug, which is helpful during travel. It is great for quick tire changes when problems happen. The tool is light, so you can carry it easily in your car. The kit also comes with sockets for simple repair work. This tool is not as strong as big corded impact wrenches, but it works well for small jobs like loosening wheel nuts in emergencies. It is very easy to use even if you are new. The case keeps everything safe and easy to find anytime. If you want a simple and easy tool, this is a good choice. The price usually ranges between $50 and $80 depending on the seller. Verdict: a simple and helpful tool for quick roadside car repair. 5. OEMTOOLS 24666 Heavy-Duty Corded Impact Wrench. The OEMTOOLS 24666 Impact Wrench is a strong tool for car repair work.
It has a powerful motor that gives steady and strong performance every time. It can loosen tight nuts easily without using too much effort. This makes it good for tire changes and simple car repair jobs. The half-inch drive fits most sockets used every day. The body feels strong and made for long-term use. This tool uses a cord so the power stays strong all the time. It works well for tire changes, brake work, and garage jobs. It is very easy to use even if you are new. The tool helps you work faster and finish jobs easily. It is good for home use and also for small garage work. It works fine for normal jobs. If you want a strong and simple tool, this is a good choice. The price usually ranges between $100 and $140, depending on the seller. Verdict: a strong and simple tool for car repair work. 6. Wild Edge 7.5 amp Corded Impact Wrench Kit. The Wild Edge 7.5 amp Corded Impact Wrench Kit is a simple tool for car work. It gives enough power for small and normal repair jobs. It can open nuts, but it is not for very hard work. It works well for tire changes and simple car fixes. The half-inch drive fits most sockets used every day. The kit also gives 4 sockets, so you can use it quickly. This tool uses a cord so the power stays strong all the time. It is very easy to use even if you are new. The tool is light so your hands will not get tired fast. It is good for home use and small garage work. It works fine for normal jobs. If you want a simple and low-priced tool, this is a good choice. The price usually ranges between $60 and $190 depending on the seller. Verdict: a simple and low-cost tool for basic car repair work. Which is the best corded impact wrench for automotive that you should buy? If you want the best overall power and strong performance, choose Porter Cable PCE 211. It is great for heavy car work and tight nuts. If you want a simple and reliable tool for daily use, go with CRAFTSMAN CMEF 901. It is easy to use and works well for most car jobs. If you want strong power with faster work, Eastvolt 800W is a good choice. It helps you finish work quickly and saves time. If you need something for travel or emergency use, pick the GETUHAND 12V kit. It is easy to carry and works well on the road. If you want a strong and durable tool for regular work, OEMTOOLS 24666 is a good option. It is simple, strong, and made to last long. If you are on a low budget and need a basic tool, choose Wild Edge. It works well for simple jobs and home use.